In this snip, I'm going to show you how to install ProGet on Windows Server 2016. First, you will need to go to the ProGet download page, which is provided in the description of this video, and download the ProGet installer. Once the installer is downloaded, let's go ahead and run it. On the first screen, click to agree to the license agreement. You will then be presented with three options. You can select to use the free edition, a 45-day trial of the Enterprise edition, or you can enter a license key if you already have one. Click the Learn More About Editions link for more information about the different versions. For this demo, I'm going to use the free edition, and click Next. On the next screen, you will need to provide an email address for registration, then click Next. Enter the path where you would like ProGet to be installed, or leave the default, and click Next. On the next screen, you can choose between using an existing SQL Server instance or a new instance of SQL Express. If you select New Instance of SQL Express, the installer will download and install SQL Express on the local server. This will add some time to the installation. I'm going to choose Install a new SQL Express instance for this demo and click Next. Next, you will need to choose whether to use ProGet's integrated web server, which gets installed as a Windows service, or to use IIS. In order to use IIS, the IIS Management Console and ASP.NET 4 must be installed already. I don't have those features installed, so that is why the IIS option is grayed out. I'm going to use the integrated web server and change the port number to port 80. Then click Next. Now I need to specify the account that ProGet will run as. Here I can specify local system, network service, or other, where I can specify a domain account if I want. In ProGet's documentation, they recommend leaving it set to network service and changing it later if you find that you need to. I'm going to leave network service selected and click Next. Now we are ready to install ProGet. As long as all the checks pass on this screen, we can go ahead and click Install. As I mentioned before, the installer will need to download and install SQL Express, so this may take some time. On my VM in my environment, this usually takes just a little under 10 minutes for the installer to finish. Now that the installation is finished, let's go ahead and verify that it is working by launching ProGet. As you can see, we have ProGet running on port 80 on the local host of this machine. And that is how to install ProGet on Windows Server 2016.